Welcome back. Now, in order to change the look and the functionality of your site, you're going to be using the Appearance, Plugins, and the Plugins section. Going first to Appearance, what you're going to do is to go to this area, and you're then going to click on Add New. And in order to find the kind of theme that you want to use, in order to change the appearance, what you're going to do is go to your Feature Finder. And you can then enter the kind of features that you're looking for in a website. For example, if you want an e-commerce site, you want one with a grid layout. What you'll then do is to apply those filters, and then you're going to click Apply Filters. That's going to give you all of the sites that fit your category. And you're going to do something similar with the plugins. You're going to go to your plugins area. You're then going to click on Add New. When you get to Add New, what you're going to do here is you're going to write in the kind of functionality that you want in your WordPress site. For example, let's assume that what you wanted to do was you wanted to change your website or use it as a help desk. And you're going to see all of the plugins registered with WordPress in order to create functionality for a help desk. When you do that, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be looking to see if it's going to be compatible with the version of website that you're using. You're also going to want to see the reviews for that particular plugin. Now, you're never going to want to install a plugin unless you feel it's totally safe, even if it has enough reviews and even if it's registered with WordPress. And since we'll be working primarily with the functionality of the site, we'll be using this plugin area and we'll be using the search extensively in order to find the functionality that we'll be using. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.